Hi, hello, welcome back to the Math Club, Matthew, where you'll get content based on math for class 9th and 10th. In our previous video, we discussed about types of numbers and number system. If you have not checked that video so far, please check that on our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about relation between all those types of numbers.
Now, let us try to understand these number system and the relation between all the types of numbers using a Venn diagram. Okay. The first and foremost set of numbers that we discussed are natural numbers denoted by capital letter N. They are the numbers which starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So here I have drawn a small circle with a letter N inside. This circle represents the set of natural numbers which starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then comes the set of whole numbers which are natural numbers along with 0. So 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Along with that we are adding one more number, that is 0. So here this bigger circle here is representing the set of whole numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. Now look at this. 1, 2, 3 are already present inside this natural numbers, this circle. First is the smallest circle, and for the 0 we are adding one more circle. That means this says the natural numbers are lying inside the set of whole numbers. That means natural numbers belongs to the whole numbers. That means all the natural numbers are whole numbers. See here, the smaller circle, the circle which is represented by the natural numbers, is inside the circle of whole numbers, inside the second circle. That means all the natural numbers belong to the whole numbers. They are lying inside the whole numbers. In whole numbers, all the natural numbers are lying in the set of these whole numbers itself. Then comes the set of integers represented by the letter Z. They are whole numbers along with negative numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, and towards this side we have -1, -2, -3 up to infinity, So these integers are the numbers which are whole numbers along with 0. So these integers, this bigger circle which is represented by the letter Z is the set of integers. You can see the set of integers is outside the whole numbers. That means all the whole numbers are included within the integers. All the whole numbers are included within the integers. Also all the natural numbers are included within the integers. So we can say all the natural numbers are whole numbers, all the natural numbers are integers. In the same way, all the whole numbers are also integers. Then comes the set of rational numbers. Rational numbers denoted by the letter Q. These rational numbers denoted by the letter Q, which are written in the form of P by Q form, where P and Q are integers, integers in the sense these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, but Q is not equals to 0 because denominator cannot be 0. If the denominator is 0, division is not possible, it is undefined. So we define rational numbers as much more bigger set. The rational numbers is lying, the circle which is representing the rational numbers Q is lying outside all the other circles. That means these rational numbers is bounding all these numbers. That means all the natural numbers lie inside rational numbers, all the whole numbers lie inside rational numbers, all the integers lie inside rational numbers. Then comes the set of irrational numbers which are not at all belonging to any of these. There is no relation between these natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and the irrational numbers. They are completely a different set of numbers. We define irrational numbers are those numbers which are not rational, So there is no relation between these rational numbers and the integers, whereas natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers are interrelated, and irrational numbers does not have any relation with them. But real numbers do have. These real numbers are the combination of both rational and irrational numbers. So you can see this big rectangle over here, which is representing the set of these irrational numbers. So that means these real numbers include both rational as well as irrational numbers.
In the next video, we'll be discussing about fundamental theorem of arithmetic.